Hello guys, Mike here from Proxynet Communications Limited. Have you heard about the VT headset by VTX Global? If you're a busy professional looking for a new headset to enhance your creativity and productivity in your workplace, then you should consider getting yourself a VT headset. Today we'll be unboxing these three amazing headsets from VT. In my right is the VTX200 Pro, in the middle is the VTX140, and right here by my left is the VTX6300. These are all wired headsets, so stay with me as we unbox this amazing headset. Boom. Alright guys, so this is the VTX200 Pro, and of course we'll be unboxing this together. So one thing I love about this particular headset, this particular model, is the fact that it comes in this lovely bag. So let's check out how the headset looks like. So I'm just gonna unzip my bag right now. Alright, you can see the amazing design. This is very comfortable, the mic, which is also very flexible. So you can move it up and down. And of course, like I mentioned before, it has an intelligent control button that allows you to basically answer your calls, end your calls, increase your volume, reduce your volume. And all VT headsets are basically USB plug and play, so you can connect these directly to your system. Like I explained before, this is a UC headset which is compatible with your Zoom, with your Skype, and of course when integrated with your UC manager, it's compatible with 3CX and Avaya Workplace.
It's also compatible with Yesta PBX.
Alright guys, so this is the VT6300 business headset. It is designed to improve your customer satisfaction. So we highly recommend this kind of headset for the call centers. It's comfortable, it's professional, and very efficient. It is also certified for Zoom with advanced noise cancelling microphone technology to filter out unwanted sound. So what you get inside this headset basically is the headset itself, a spare cushion, you get the user guide, and of course a clothing clip for the wires. Alright, so the 6300 is very compatible with your various UC platforms. So I'm talking about your Zoom, your Microsoft Teams, your Skype for Business, your Avaya Workplace, and even your 3CX. Like I mentioned before, this is also USB plug and play. So all you just need to do is to connect this USB to your system and you are good to go. I also like the fact that this headset is very lightweight. Like it doesn't even feel like I'm even holding a headset. And of course you can easily adjust the headset, the microphones, to make it a perfect fit. So this is highly recommended. I repeat, this is highly recommended for call centers. It also has the intelligent control button, so you can answer your calls, end your calls, and of course adjust the volume. So this is the extra ear cushion that comes in it, so of course to provide you with extra comfort for especially if you make use of this headset on a daily basis. And this is the clothing clip to help you manage the cables easily. Alright guys, so next on my list is the VTX140 business headset. This is another model. It's also a wired headset. It is lightweight, it is comfortable, it's professional, of course designed to give you more power to your conversations. So this headset is also recommended for all busy professionals and call centers. It is also very suitable for professionals who make use of soft phones such as Zoom and Teams and call
Yesta PBX
business offices on a day-to-day basis. So let's see what is inside. Unfortunately, it doesn't come with the bag. So but what I like about this is the design. The design is quite unique compared to the other two which I actually showed, and of course you have that free access to adjust the headset to make it a perfect fit. It's also USB plug and play, and of course you have the intelligent control to answer your calls, end your calls, adjust the volume. And what I like about this particular headset is that it comes with an integrated busy light to show your status at work. So the green light shows you are available and the red light shows that you are busy. So this is an amazing headset for every business professional. So guys, without any doubt, the VT headset is designed to help you experience crystal clear sound. And of course, you can choose from a variety of wired VT headsets or the wireless VT headsets and Bluetooth speakers to meet your needs and budget. So this is me right here just having a very important call with a very important client on a multi-million-dollar project. So if you're a busy professional like me and you want to have crystal clear sound and conversations, then you should consider getting yourself a VT headset today. Reach out to Proxnet Communications, the authorized distributor for VT headsets in West Africa. VBERT, VT headsets, value you better.
VT headsets for busy professionals, make your calls no sweat. VT headsets integrate